everybody. Oh, come on, I gotta find a gap. Come on, big enough gap. That was a big enough gap, wasn't it? Could have gone out then, couldn't I? If he'd never mind. Oh, I'm alright now. God and Bennett. Right, I'm on my way. Electric bike tonight. Oh, that was a good day at work. I want to talk about safety tonight. You got to try to be safe. About being aware of your surroundings. Just think of looking ahead all the time. I can see that car in front, makes a difference. I'm more interested in what's behind me with this bike to make sure that I leave enough room when somebody creeps upon me. But yeah, the being aware of everything is look, I'm keeping up with these people. Look, that's good, isn't it? Because they're going slow. Yeah, be aware of your surroundings, kind of crack, and just enjoy your riding. I downloaded an app for the bike, Kalimoto. You get one area free, which has given me all of basically this from London downwards, London going across left and right, going all the way down towards Cornwall, and it suggests routes in whether you want twisties or very twisty or normal routes, and you go from there really. So it's really good. I'm going to enjoy it. It tried to put me on an 81 mile trip today, twisties, just as a suggestion, with 2 hours 70-minute driving. That would be good. Can't wait to try some and learn how to use it and put some routes in myself, etc. That would be cool. So I'm going to use that app on the not on this electric bike, but I'm going to get one of these kind of things for my bike, my motorbike. That way then I can just put it on there and use it. It's great. I've got some other things I want to get off my chest as well. Just as a word of warning on group riding. Better indicate left, haven't I? Hang on a minute. What's happened here? Good then. Yeah, oh, the button was stuck in. That's alright. The button was just stuck in. Right, yeah, on group riding. I really like group riding. Mick's at work, he goes out and he's just been down to Sussex, near Brighton, to the beach area, just as a ride with his about 7 mates. So I'm going to have a bash with that. Maybe if Mick will let me, I can go out for a ride with them. Have some new buddies, because I haven't got any buddies at all. I'm a lone rider. Yeah, and this group riding thing is, there's certain ways you can ride in a group, etc., and never overtake anybody too close when you're going to go whizzing past them, whatever, because they might not see you and might not look, and they might turn left or right, they might swing about a bit or whatever. So yeah, and ride to the last man's speed. That'll be me, by the way. I'm a 250. Yeah, drive to the last man's speed. But I'm not. See, that speed camera there is not going to catch me. Go on then. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. You're not going to get me, boy. Because I can't go fast enough. Sorry. Yeah, I'm not into this like they do in America, like MAXWRIST and them do the canyon ripping. Because they just, every time I see a video, somebody's come off on a corner, or it adds to the drama for the viewing, etc. on YouTube. But to me, it's just reckless riding. If you're going to do it by yourself, but not as a big group, and because accidents will happen. People don't ride within the limits, and they tend to think they're better than what they are. And you got tarmac, but you got crap at both sides. You're not on a racetrack. On a racetrack, you're on a racetrack. When they come off, generally 99% of the time, fingers crossed, nobody gets killed anyway. It does happen, but 99% of the time they're coming off sliding because they've got too much lean angle going down the corner, and there's gravel traps to catch them that way. So it's normally just bike damage generally. But when you're canyon ripping and stuff, if you make a mistake, if you're going too fast into a corner and you can't make the apex of the corner and you're drifting out to the left, you might either, one, shut off, which will throw you left anyway, or two, you'll try and get more lean angle and you'll end up sliding, you're coming off it anyway. So to me it's very dangerous, and it's to do with the making money on YouTube. That's what it is, and to me it's very dangerous, and things can catch up with you. And I'm not sure what happened with the MAXWRIST incident with Jesus in America, but maybe they're putting wheelies in second gear on superbikes, 1000cc superbikes, and they're going up and putting a wheelie, and they're getting up to 140 miles an hour. Maybe it came down funny, and he ran into the other rider who he was more or less passing. I don't know, but one of them's in an induced coma, and the other one's got a broken knee and bones sticking out of his leg and stuff. It's you can't. Things catch up with you. You know, you can do it for a few times, etc. And something's going to happen. And unfortunately, something did happen, which is a shame, really. Nice bike, lad. Nice bike. So yeah, something did catch up with him. I hope they're both all right. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, if you're in group rides, riding on normal roads, inspecting in England and stuff like that, just stay in your group and don't do what's silly, and stay in your... Think of a lane. You're in a lane, and you know the guys in front of you, etc. So keep your distance that way, and just stay safe. That's all I can say, really. But yeah, I hope both those two are alright and everybody else is alright. I didn't put my main beam on, never mind. Okay, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed that little ride on the electric bike. Just coming home from work. Tatty bye for now. I don't do that, do I, anymore? Tatty bye for now. But before I do tatty bye for now, I'm supposed to say please, please, please subscribe to the channel. It'd be nice to get some more subscribers. I'm on 80 subscribers now. I'd like to get it up, and I work hard on my videos for the channel. Etc. And I'm sure some of them are fun, and there's music on some of them, etc. And it's just nice to get some return off it in respect of a few more subscribers, because I'm sure you just hit that notification. If you do like the videos and you want to get notified of new ones, hit the notification bell. And yeah, there's my link underneath for Twitter and for Facebook, etc. And there's a Paetron link as well if you'd like to subscribe to the Paetron, where I'm going to be putting separate videos on. Okay, thank you very much. Take care now. Bye bye.